Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Back at this again, let me just see, what's that model number again? Lidl 20 volt team cordless belt sander PBFA 20-LI A1. Right, have you got lots of interest? Couple of things. Right, so a couple of commenters helpfully pointed out a couple of things that I'd missed, and certainly missed from my video. Right, so the first thing is this light here is in fact tiltable. So you can aim it more in line with where you're going. You can see there, it's pointing that way, and you can flip it up and point it that way as well. Right, that's one thing. Second thing that was pointed out to me was that there is on here a direction of rotation, which I'd noticed, and you will have noticed from the video. What I didn't point out was that part of the reason for that is because there is also a direction of rotation on there. Let me just see if you can see that. You can. There. So that obviously wants to go the same way. Now I'm going to go, I use the 80 grit, the 120 grit belt on the steel. So I'm actually going to go and just quickly demonstrate the 80 grit one on steel. Right, so that you can see is going this way, and that is the direction of rotation. So there we go. Slip that on there, pull that in, settle that on, that pushed in, tension it up now. And then what I'm going to do is do a better job of showing this to you. You can see where that's, see where it's tracking the wrong way. Let me just see, can I see enough of that on there? No, that's too far over. Not quite sure why that's kicking out sparks. Just quickly. Slide that a bit further in. Hold on a sec, let me just have a quick look at that. That shouldn't be kicking out sparks, it's not. Can't see what's picking those sparks off. But so there's that. Right, let me just go and try getting some of these here. But I'm going to go and put that down there as well. Right. And just a dog, let me just go there. Right, you can see there, it's actually taken that down reasonably well. We've also taken that massive great big chunk, let me just back up there, that massive great big chunk out there. So there we go, light is rotatable, direction of travel. And one last thing, every time you get an angle grinder out on a YouTube video, someone always says you're going to set something on fire. So what I'm going to do is, hopefully over the weekend, I'm going to do a video showing you both how difficult some things are to set on fire and what you should really watch out for with an angle grinder kicking off lots of sparks, because that might well be useful. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. I am aware that sparks in the wrong places can cause a problem, but they do have to be in the wrong places. Thank you for watching again.